So how do you put the keyboard down on your iPhone? Let me show you how it works. Let's explain that. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Right, so whenever you're doing something like, let's say you're typing in a message and you have the keyboard showing up, well, in order to make it like go down or disappear, there are a few things you can do. Like you can, for example, just swipe up on the messages and the keyboard will be removed, right? Or it will disappear. Whenever you tap on the text field again, it will appear back again. So yeah, that's like the way to get it out of the view, right? Also, for example, if you are on the home screen, you can swipe down and access the keyboard that way. But if you tap above the keyboard or above the, of course, text field where you are supposed to input the text, when you just click somewhere else, you can see that it just makes it go away. So that's how it generally works. Keep in mind that you can also just if you are typing in like a password or something, you also have the done button or confirm, right? So also when you click that and confirm it, the keyboard will go away and it will be like put away. So it depends on the situation and what exactly you're typing, but that's how it works. You can also switch to a different keyboard by holding down on the globe icon, and if you have like a third-party keyboard installed, you can also go with that one. But it kind of works the same way where, of course, if there is a text field selected, the keyboard is necessary, but if you go and do something else and you go away from the text field, then it will be put away and like hidden from the side. So that's how it works. If it's like glitching or doesn't work properly, make sure to restart the phone or update to the latest iOS and it will most likely fix the issue. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have some additional questions. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.